Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about investing in apps involving money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Acorns app and how you can withdraw money from your account to your linked bank account. So we're going to start by opening the Acorns app up. Enter your PIN number, and then you'll be taken to the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, you'll want to click where it says bank, and then you'll see transfer in or transfer out. In this case, we'll be clicking on transfer out because that's how we're going to withdraw money from the account. Once you've arrived at this screen, just enter the amount that you would like to withdraw from your Acorns account. Keep in mind that that amount does need to be in your account in order to withdraw it. I'm going to withdraw $100. And if you have linked bank accounts, just click right below the amount and you'll have the option to change which bank account you want this money to go to. I only have one account linked to the Acorns, so I don't need to change it. Once you're ready, click on next. Then Acorns is going to confirm is this what you want. Once you're ready, click on confirm. And then you'll get this notification from Acorns saying that the withdrawal is in process. How long it takes will depend on which bank you have linked, but it generally takes 1 to 3 business days. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you haven't signed up for Acorns and you have been interested in doing so, you can do so using the link in the description or the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.